Hi guys, welcome to another video. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be using the new Jaclyn Hill palette today. I have it right here and I'm so excited to use this palette because the colors, you guys, are so amazing. How beautiful do they look? I mean, seriously, these are the kind of colors that I love when it comes to makeup. I love reds, orange, pinks, and I'm actually so excited for these two. I cannot wait. I'm not going to be swatching them today because if you're here watching this video, you obviously know who Jaclyn Hill is, and more than likely you watch her video of her swatching this palette. And her video, you guys, is what got me to purchase this palette. When I first saw this palette, I wasn't even thinking I didn't think I was gonna get it. I was like, it's pretty, but do I really need another palette? No, I really don't. I have so many, and I have so many with these kind of colors right here, and I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna save my money. I know that Tati is coming out with something. You guys know that I love the Tati palette. I love it so much. It's amazing quality. It's a little bit more expensive than the Morphe palettes, but it's so good. So I was intending on saving my money to buy whatever Tati is coming out with, but then I saw Jaclyn Hill's video of her swatching these and they look so pretty. I got this a few days ago. I haven't even swatched any of them, but I kind of want to do this one right here. Oh my gosh, that feels so nice. It's so beautiful in gold. Yeah, that is absolutely beautiful. You guys see how gorgeous that is? Oh my god. And you have so many options. You can obviously go for more neutrals. If you want something more soft, more neutral, you have the option to do this. And if you're someone who likes a neutral palette, this palette is probably not for you, but I'm so excited to try it. So I already did my makeup, I primed my lids, and I set them, so we're just ready to go ahead and apply eyeshadows. I have no idea what look I'm going for. This is what usually happens when I have a brand new palette in front of me. I have no idea what look I'm going for. I just go for it. So let's see what happens. I mean, guys, this bright, the camera is not picking up how bright this one is right here. This is called My Man, and it's like a red orangey shade. On camera it just looks very muted, but it's so pigmented. It looks very pigmented and bright. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, so let me add powder under my eyes so I don't get anything under there. I do have the original Jaclyn Hill palette and I really love this. It's so good. The quality of it is so good. You can blend the colors super easily, and I love the color scheme. You have so many options here too. It's so beautiful. And I do have one of the Vault palettes. I didn't get all of them because the other ones, I think there were more of greens and browns, and then you have one that's purple, and this one right here is just caught my eye and it is so good. I didn't have any problems with this. I know a lot of people did have problems with the shades, that they wouldn't blend, they were patchy, but I did not have any problems. I've used this a lot, and I only have one video up with this palette, and I'll post it somewhere up here for you guys to see. I am very proud of that look. I think it's one of my favorite looks that I've done, if not my favorite, and it's using this palette right here. So go check it out if you want. Alright, so let's see, what do we want to start out with? Okay, I think I'm going to start with this very bright yellow right here. Okay, the lighting is changing. The lighting is always changing. Alright, I'm going to start with this bright yellow right here. Go in with a fluffy brush and just add it all over my crease to see what happens. Oh my goodness, I'm so okay. I do like a yellow eyeshadow. I think is very difficult to get something that is very just a true yellow, other like not having any gold or orange, and this one looks very promising. Okay, now I think I'm gonna grab this one right here. This is more like of a true orange. This is called Feeling Myself. And with a different brush, I'm just gonna grab that and add it on the outer corner and right below the yellow. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm gonna grab a little piece of paper like I always do to have this more defined. Yeah, I like that. That is coming out beautiful. There's so many colors, so many beautiful colors here that I want to use as many as possible today, and I just don't know where to go from here. I'm thinking more of a pink on the outer corner possibly, so let's just go for it to see what happens. So with a new clean brush, I'm adding Dent Party. This is a very magenta bright pink. I'm just gonna add it, oh my god, right there. Holy crap, that is pigmented. Just adding it right below the orange. That is so beautiful, and you only need a little bit. Beautiful. Instead of dragging it first, I'm gonna grabbing the color and just stamping it where I want it, very, very lightly, and blending it as I go. That's beautiful. Good job, Jaclyn. Okay, now I'm grabbing Feeling Myself one more time and applying it and mixing those two colors together and buffing it out. I love it. Now, you guys, I 100% want to add this beautiful, where is it, right here, this gold. This is called Talia, I think that's how you say it, Talia. And I'm gonna grab it with my finger and add it on the outer corner and then bringing it in just a little bit. All right, are we ready for this? I think I should have added concealer, but we're here, and That looks very pretty actually. I don't think you need concealer unless you want to cut it, you know, cut the crease, but I think this is fine without it. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this little brush right here and I'm gonna spray it with setting spray to add that gold and to intensify it a little bit more. Alright, let's go back with Dance Party and put it right over here because I feel like I've lost that a little bit. Now let's go back with the orange and adding it right here. There we go. Let's go back with the yellow and putting it. So the other eye is done. So I'm gonna grab Certify right here. This is a very light white, creamy-ish. Not creamy because it's still powder, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna grab a different brush and I'm just gonna add this on the brow bone to see if it highlights it just a little bit. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna grab this e.l.f. brush. It's very thin, very pointy, like so, and I'm just gonna go for it, you guys. I'm gonna use, I want a purple one, and I don't know if I should go for this one or this one right here. I think I'm gonna go for this darker purple. This is called Not My Journey. And I'm just gonna add that on the lower lash, just to add more colors to this look. So now I'm going in with this very light purplish lilac color. This is called Therapy Sesh, and with the same brush I'm going to add that right below Not My Journey and blend those two colors together. I wasn't sure if I wanted to add eyeliner or just keep it the way it is, but I am adding the Sephora eyeliner. This is called Purple Stiletos, and I think it goes perfect with this look. It's very purple, very beautiful, very creamy. I really like this. So let's just go for it. Okay guys, so this is obviously a colorful look. I mean, what do we expect? It is the Jaclyn Hill palette, and it's very colorful, and I am actually very pleased with this look. I really like it. But let me finish the look. I'm gonna add mascara, and I'm gonna be wearing the Wispies eyelashes by Salon Perfect, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It's very, very colorful. Obviously, you guys saw that. But I am really, really loving this palette, you guys. It is absolutely beautiful. The colors are amazing. And the way they blend is so easy. You don't have to work hard at all. This color right here, this is the Dance Party that I added on the outer corner. I love it. And there is no fallout at all. It just goes on where you put it and it blends and it's like a dream. I mean, congrats to Jaclyn Hill and good job on creating such a great formula, such a great palette with beautiful colors. So there you go, guys. I also want to mention that I did not use the Salon Perfect eyelashes like I said I was. I don't even know where they went. I just had them with me right here. I ended up using the Kiss Collection eyelashes. These are what I'm wearing right now, are the Muse, and I feel like they have more, there's more volume to them. They're not as long as the other ones, but they're still very pretty. And I added a little bit of purple mascara to the bottom lashes. You can't really tell, but that's what I did. And also another thing, you guys, I ended up using the Tati Beauty Blendable to apply my foundation and concealer, and I think it looks so good. I really enjoy the way it's looking right now. I'm getting, you know, more practice with it. I usually just use this for highlight. I feel like when you add highlighter to this, it just brings it out a little bit more. But yeah, just wanted to mention that. And I will also be posting everything that I used on my face on the description box if you guys care. But that's it, you guys. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.